Hey there, it's me Lulu from International Justice Mission, IJM. As always, let us learn something new today. Did you know you have rights even if you're being arrested? Yes, you do. For instance, you have the right to be informed in a language that you understand why you are being arrested. The police must remind you of your right to remain silent and the consequences if you do not. You also have the right to be brought to court within 24 hours. Remember, you are deemed innocent until proven otherwise by a court of law, and therefore you must be kept separate from convicted persons serving sentences. You have the right to be released on bail unless there are strong reasons to keep you in custody. This may happen if the court believes you might tamper with the case, fail to appear for proceedings, or pose a risk to public safety. If you get arrested, follow these 3 steps. Call an advocate for legal advice and representation. Inform trusted family members, friends, or colleagues of your situation. Comply with the police to avoid any physical confrontation. What happens if the police need to search your home? They are required to have a search warrant unless the situation is urgent. However, even in such cases, they must clearly identify themselves and document every item they take. They should also prepare an official report, ensuring that all important details are included. Once completed, they should share this report with their superior. If a police officer can reasonably demonstrate that an item in your possession was involved in a crime and obtaining a warrant would significantly delay the investigation, they are allowed to search you without a warrant. In certain circumstances, the police can arrest you without having a warrant. For example, if you assault someone or if you obstruct a police officer from carrying out his duties. Also, if a police officer suspects you have committed an offense or finds you in possession of property that they suspect is stolen, they do not require a warrant to arrest you. When you are detained, the police must record everything in the occurrence book, also known as the OB. This includes all complaints and charges raised, the full names of all persons arrested, and the offenses with which all are charged. The police must also include the identity of the arresting officer, the interrogator, and any transfer of the detainee to another place of detention. Even while you are in police custody, you still have rights. You can communicate with your family, receive visitors, get medical assistance, and even file complaints about mistreatment. You still have rights. During an investigation, a police officer has the right to summon anyone who may possess information relevant to the case. They may request you to come to a local police station or office to answer questions or share any evidence. So remember, know your rights at all times, share this knowledge with your family and friends, and if your rights are ever violated, you can report to the following. You can also visit a justice center near you.